I received this product free to try, and this is what they look like. 3 different pieces. This is for baby socks, and these are for big socks. You need to make sure your sock is inside out, and find the side. You put it in and then get the edge out, and then you can work over here. I found that the socks with a better and thicker edge here work better, and I can also use it for hand embroidery apart from the machine. And it's very easy because it stretches my fabric, my sock, and then I can comfortably work here and there. And here's my sock and my little embroidery here. I think this will work great for embroidering on gloves.